Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to unbox this OVO Money Sac in black. So this is Drake's, October's very own, OVO, October's very own International Bank Money Sac. Got this from StockX, so verified authentic. All right, this is what it looks like in the bag. Let's open this up. I'm gonna use this to hold my cash. Boom. Wow. So good texture. That's my initial thoughts. Has nice October's very own International Bank, CA, USA, UK, Japan. Again, got it from StockX. Got the logo up front. Looks good, looks good. Then here's where it's cool. There's keys. I guess you gotta unlock this to be able to open it. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, so the keys are included. Let's see if I could do this without. Nope, I think I gotta cut it off, but don't want to cut it. Let me do it. Okay, I'll cut off. Should I just take off one of the keys and open it for you all? All right. Oh, the keys are tied to the StockX thing. My bad. All right. Just for you guys, I'll cut off the keys so that we can see what it looks like inside. All right, here we go. Let's get it. Oh, that's legit. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. So it's a legit money sack. All right. Check it out. Turn it. Wait, you stick it in, turn it, and then it unlocks. And that's where all my cash for poker in Vegas will go into this summer. That's pretty cool. This is legit. So again, that's how you unlock it. Zip up your cash, put this down, and lock it. Cool. All right, let me know what you think of this money sack in the comments below. And hope you're all doing well. See you all for the next unboxing video. Later.